Hi friends, welcome to my channel Learn Cooking with RK. Today I am going to share a delicious sweet recipe, Pheni. If you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, please subscribe and see the video until end. So let's start. Take 250 grams of all-purpose flour into a bowl. Add 100 grams of khova to it. Mix it well. Now slowly add approximately 1 cup of milk. Mix it well to form a soft dough. Then add 2 tablespoons of ghee and mix it well until it becomes smooth and soft. Keep the dough aside for at least half an hour by covering with a lid. Then make the dough into small and desired sized balls. Roll the dough by applying some flour into thin layer by using roller. By applying some flour, roll it into a thin layer. Now apply some ghee and fold it into layers. Then roll it like a wheel. Same procedure for all the remaining dough balls. Now roll the folded dough balls with roller into round shape by applying some flour. Roll it evenly at all sides in round shape. Keep it aside to fry later. Same procedure for all remaining dough balls. Now let's take a vessel. Add 300 grams of sugar and 250 ml of water to make a saturated sugar syrup. Mix it well so the sugar dissolves in water. Boil it for 10 minutes. Check the consistency. Now take a pan. Add 250 ml of oil. When the oil starts heating, fry the pheni. Flip it. Flip it in the other side. Fry it until golden brown. Fry it until the pheni turns into golden brown color. Remove the pheni from the oil and dip it in the sugar syrup. Same procedure for remaining all. Dip it in sugar syrup for about 2 minutes. Then remove it from the syrup and place it in a plate or bowl. It's time to serve our yummy, crispy, delicious penny. Now it's ready to eat. Thank you.